Here's an additional style option for Shreya that might take her into the evening or styles for second or third day hair. Donna will set one side and Shreya will complete the opposite side. Protect the hair from the thermal heat with hot off the press. Set the Express Ion Unclipped small cone to 380 degrees for Shreya's medium textured hair. Sporadically ribbon pieces of hair around the small cone to give a stronger definition of curl. Shreya will complete the opposite side, using hot off the press to protect the strands from the thermal heat of the iron, and loosely ribboning the hair around the small cone for a strong definition of a curl pattern. Once the hair is freshened up with curls, take sections of the hair from the temple area at the hairline and loosely secure with an elastic band in the back of the head beneath the crown. Take a section of hair from each side behind the ear and loosely secure with an elastic band in the back of the head in the nape area. Gently pinch and pull areas on the top of the head to expand the shape and give volume to the look. Use bobby pins to support the style and create lift where needed. Gently take pieces of the front hairline down to keep a soft, natural look in the front view. Finish the style with Stay Strong hairspray to lock the look into place. And here's our beautiful up style look with Shreya's hair.